Today we got things ready so that we can go on our annual fishing trip. It was a busy day.
Where are we going?
To water the cows?
Like I said, been super dry this year. We haven't got hardly any rain.
Yeah.
And can't quite keep up with the amount the cows are drinking. So we gotta supplement with some extra water. The fall wheat's still holding on decent. It's in the boot, but it's starting to suffer a little bit for moisture. But the spring wheat really needs to drink. Gotta go about a mile up this road.
That tank down over there we're gonna fill up.
What you doing?
We're filling the trough.
So how come you brought this tank up?
To fill this one up. We filling the troughs, so now we're filling the white tank. The winter wheat is almost headed out. Next it will flower, then start making a kernel.
Hopefully we get a rain soon so that it'll have the needed moisture to make a plump kernel and not a shriveled up kernel, because when the kernels are shriveled up, it is low test weight and poor quality.
The spring wheat is up. It's gonna start suffering if it don't get some water. We finished spraying the summer fallow, and we're gonna drain oil and do some maintenance, and then in 2 weeks we'll spray the spring wheat. Draining the oil, and we it's so high, so we put a barrel. It holds more than 5 gallons, so we're gonna have to switch the buckets. When we start the sprayer when it's cold, we hear some squeaking. So it might be the belt, so we're gonna take it off, check the wear and check the bearings.
We got to just weave the belt behind all the fan blades to get it off. So you can see this belt, the old belt stretched a little, can't you? He's holding there and I'm holding, and you can just see it's stretched out just a little bit from wear. So what are you doing now?
We're gonna start up the boat.
How come?
To make sure it runs.
Because you just bought it last October? Oh, that's Give her a try. So where are you going?
I'm fishing.
Where at?
Twin Lakes, and we're gonna go fishing for bluegill. So we're getting some.
So what's the white things?
Oh, my grandpa made them, and they shock, and the worms come up.
It makes the worms come up.
Yeah.
So that way you don't have to stay out till 11 o'clock at night like last night trying to get them, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see that. So it's pretty good sized worms, huh?
Mhm.
Yeah.
See, they don't like getting shocked.
They're sensing vibration.
Yeah. We filled 4 worm boxes. I think that should be enough. We put ice in them every day to keep them alive and healthy until we go fishing. We're ready to go now. My grandpa pulls the boat behind the camper. He uses a camera on the back of the camper so that he can keep an eye on the boat and the kayaks.